Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today you're in for a treat. I am sharing with you my healthier version of a chicken stew with black eyed peas. I'm actually using boneless, skinless chicken breast in this recipe, as well as black eyed peas, and then it's topped off with some green olives. So if you want to see how to pull together this super delicious, healthier version of a chicken stew, stick around long enough. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, you know what to do. Go ahead, click on the subscribe button, my left, your right.
I'm using 2 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken breast cut up into 1 to 2 inch pieces. I'm making a spice mix: salt, black pepper, cumin, and sweet paprika. Mix it all together. I'm using 2.5 teaspoons of the spice mix to season the chicken. Heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil over high heat. Cook the chicken in 2 batches until they're brown on each side, about 2 minutes per side. Transfer to a plate and set aside. Turn the heat down to low. Add onions as well as celery. Season with a pinch of the seasoning mix. Saute the onion and celery 2 to 3 minutes. Add in fresh garlic, fresh thyme, and cook 30 to 60 seconds. I'm using fresh plum tomatoes diced. Sprinkle in the remaining seasoning mix. Add in 1 can of black eyed peas, rinse thoroughly. Cover and cook 8 to 10 minutes until the tomato breaks down nicely. Add back in the chicken with any juices it released. I added in a hot pepper. This is optional. 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Bring that to a boil over medium-high heat. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 25 minutes. Chicken will be nice and tender in 25 minutes. Then I add in 15 cocktail green olives. You can make this optional. Cook 5 minutes.
Okay, our stew should be just about ready. Let's take a look.
Remember to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. I like to serve this stew over a bed of rice. It smells really good in here.
It is perfect. Until next time, happy cooking.